Dear student, in this diagram, you observe PQRS is a square. A rectangle in which two adjacent sides are equal is a square. In rectangle PQRS, this is a given figure that we can write PQ is equal to QR or PS is equal to SR. So PQRS is a square. Properties of a square. Number 1, all sides are of equal length. From this figure, here we can mention PQ is equal to QR is equal to SR is equal to SP. Number 2, the all interior angles measure 90 degree. Okay, so from this figure we can say that angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to angle R is equal to angle S is equal to 90 degree. Number 3 properties here, diagonal are of equal length. In this given figure, here PR and SQ, two diagonal intersect point O. Now number 4 point is here, diagonal bisect each other at right angle. That means from this figure we can say OP is equal to OR and OQ is equal to OS. Also we can write PR perpendicular SQ at point O. Hence OP is equal to OR is equal to OQ is equal to OS. This diagram that we easily all these things understand about the properties of square.